Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring Gboard is active and up to date because new font or style options appear only with recent releases. Once done, open any app that lets you type and bring up Gboard. Tap the gear icon or long press the comma/emoji key to open settings. Make sure you're in the Gboard main settings screen. This gives immediate access to theme and preferences where the visual and text appearance controls live. Now navigate to Theme and choose Customize to change keyboard colors and key shapes. This can subtly affect perceived font clarity. Next, open Preferences to adjust key pop-ups, number row, and layout. Those impact spacing and readability. If your Gboard build includes a font or text option, enable it and pick a style. Otherwise, use themes plus high contrast or bold key labels to simulate a different font. These combine. Finish by applying your chosen theme or preference changes and typing across apps to confirm the result. If the style looks off, go back and tweak key shapes, contrast, or enable bold labels to improve legibility. If you don't find a direct font control, Gboard may not support font changes on your device. Try updating the app, clearing cache, or installing a keyboard that advertises custom fonts. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear Gboard cache and restart the app to resolve display glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.